Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is January the 31st, last trading day of the month, and seeing a little bit of gap down in the market, especially in the tech-heavy cues. I'm not going to dive over there, but let's take a look. Let's focus on the SPY. As you can see, we are pulling back to this kind of level that we had 3 days ago in a row, but could bleed down to this 10-period moving average and see what happens. Also, we'll be watching the IWM. This has been a kind of a rotation market for some time now. I'm going to see. I got an alert in this IWM to see if it can take out this 1 month high there. So I'll be watching to see if there's any rotation into small caps. Let's take a look at some setups today. I mentioned the CCJ the other day, pulling back to the possibly the 50. I actually had a bid in there that day at 45. I never got it. I don't know why I didn't jump because I think it happened early in the morning. But anyway, setting up for a possible move there higher in that CCJ. CLDX, this is one that is pulled back to the 50 and is kind of just keeps tagging this 50. I'll watch to see if maybe there's some movement, to the maybe this day before yesterday high there in that CLDX for a possible, half size entry. Otis, I believe this is a earnings play. Yes, it is. And knocking on the door of all-time highs. This is a nice little breakout above that 90-91 area in OTIS. ADP, a lot of earnings. We're getting in the heart of the earnings season, so I'll be focusing a lot on earnings. ADP the same way, gapping up. You can see in the weekly, though, it's nowhere near its all-time highs, but breaking out of a monthly high there in ADP at the open. Interesting on this FCX. It's kind of wedging here, kind of a tight wedge, pinched between its 50 and the 20. I'm looking for a break above, maybe that 5-day high. If you, some people might want it to take out that earnings high, but I'll be watching that one closely because I do like the tightness of this wedge. Couple of others out there. I don't have time, but keep an eye. Hopefully you have trade ideas and you can look at the rest of them, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Keep it tight. Could see some selling. Bye-bye.